So I've been in LA for a minute and I'm back home now, and I wanted to give you guys an update on the front end of the store, which is my display areas. And I also want to give you guys a tour of what's to come behind the bar, what equipment is going in, where and why. So I got all of that stuff in position. I'm going to show you guys right after the intro. My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home or wherever you at. And in this video, like I said in the intro, man, I'm about to show you guys the displays on both sides and what's coming behind the t-shirt bar in about a few days, and all the things you got to look forward to coming to the channel as far as unboxings and different things like that. So let's get to it. But before we do, you guys know what I need you to do for me. I need you to like this video, I need you to comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. All right, so before I jump into this, guys, one of the things and one of the reasons I brought this to you guys in the way that I did, where you can follow the step by step, so you can learn from the pains and the struggles and the ideas and how I put this all together with myself and with some help of my other friends. And I wanted to give you guys a blueprint to how I put this stuff together. And I want you guys to take this, and I want you to take your ideas and invest in your ideas and take it way further than even I'm doing right now. This is a starting point, but I think you guys out there can learn from this. So when you get in a position to get a storefront or whatever it is that you're after, you can understand what to expect. So I wanted to take you guys along this journey. All right, so this is wall number 1 here. All right, so we got the TVs, then we got the 2 shelves up top on both sides of the TVs. We got the lower shelf, and then we have the hanging racks for t-shirts down below. I'm gonna fill this stuff up and you guys will get a video. And this here is a 2X shirt, so I wanted to make sure I had an ample amount of clearance underneath of that. I didn't want it dragging on the floor right there like so. Obviously we got the TV here. And now we're gonna spin around to the other side here. And if I can get this thing to turn, there we go. All right, and this side here is the same. Let me grab this shirt actually. This side here, we have 2 poles to hang on shirts on, a lot higher. These are floating. I'm gonna give you guys some cool stuff about these too. So these are floating, a lot of room underneath of here. And then we have shelves here, 3 different sizes. I thought that gave it a nice look, which was Olu's suggestion. And down the bottom here, I'm gonna get this little, it's kind of a toy chest, but I'm gonna get a little slide out drawer there down below in that piece. Again, we have another pole right there. So that's good. Now, what we gotta do next is get together and get the what am I trying to say? Get the furniture together, okay? One of my points, and they tried to get me out of it, is like, I want a couch. And so I gotta have a couch in here just so I can chill, relax. I really wanted this space to be like my clubhouse where I come to relax. Like right now, I don't know what's up, you know, being back from LA. It's 5 a.m. I've been up probably since 2 a.m. And now I just like, you know what, I can't go to sleep. I watched some videos and got updated on some stuff that was going on where it was mentioned to me. So I went and go watch that stuff and pay attention to it. And now I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go to the store. So I want a space where it's like, I'm comfortable, I can sit, I can chillax. So how that gets done now is with some furniture selection. So a couch was a must. That toy chest, originally I was gonna have this whole thing be toy chest because I had nowhere to store anything. But what I do have now is that closet that's built there. So I kind of was able to scrap that whole idea. The great thing about all of this here is, I'll show you guys this real quick. All these shelves are movable, okay? So I can take down all of these display here in the building. And one of the things that I plan on doing to market is to allow pop-up shops from brands to come in here, and then maybe like small type events. And then when you guys want to come and learn, have classes and stuff, when everything gets fully back open, we'll have ample amount of room. The bar is actually movable. I'll go over all of that stuff in a dedicated video because it's a lot to do. Like, especially I can't even move it by myself. It's really, really heavy, but it'll come out and it'll push straight back to the wall. So I'll show you guys some of those features later. So I thought this was pretty cool. And let me put this back, and then we're gonna go behind the bar, and I'm gonna show you guys what equipment's to come. All right, so they're really, really sturdy, man. It's really, really cool, and they are. So right now, it's white brackets under there. It's gonna get painted black. They're all gonna get painted to match the wall that they're in. So when they're off, you kind of won't notice them. And here, this is supposed to be the studio space, but we changed what we're gonna do in there, and this is gonna actually be a boutique, and it's gonna be super dope, super awesome. And there'll be a new channel for you guys to pay attention to and to watch, especially for the females out here, and some cool stuff that we're gonna be doing over there for the YouTube community and different things like that. So having a boutique, and it's going to be my best friend's side. She is a crafter. She is a party planner. She's multi-talented in a lot of things. I was gonna just bring her on the channel a little bit here and there, but I think she has enough value to add to actually have her own channel. So we're gonna work on that, and that'll be something if you guys wanna see, put it down in the comments below. Let her know that you guys wanna see that, and we're gonna get it to you guys really, really soon. We're gonna go over the plans on that and everything on her channel. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments. If not, then maybe we won't do it. So let's talk about behind the bar real quick, okay? So here, I was gonna put a couch back here, and I was gonna say, you know what, up front, I don't need a couch. But now we're gonna get an embroidery machine, okay? So we're gonna get an embroidery machine. We're gonna get the Ricoma MT1501, and we're gonna start to do some in-house embroidery, and get that machine and learn that machine, and you guys will get to be a part of that process of learning it. Next, we're also gonna get a DTG machine. So I've been doing a lot of research, talking to 2 different companies and trying to decide. I got a lot of videos, I think 8 in total videos that are all complete, finished, just need to make thumbnails. They're actually uploaded already. If you're a member, all of that stuff's about to come out for you guys. You guys already seen the Ricoma videos over there. So if you're not a member, become a member. That's where exclusive information, stuff that I make, videos that I make that have not been cleared to come out yet, and different things that are going on with that. So that's enough about those 2 pieces. So I scrapped the whole idea. I wasn't gonna have lights here. I had to get lights there. So now it's well lit, and we're gonna get to have, you know, just a clear cut piece. What I'm thinking about right now is if I wanna add a light above this rack right here. So I'm looking at that right now. I'm still trying to decide, but basically this is the printer rack. And this printer rack is actually movable. Like I said, I got creative. I asked him to put a closet inside a closet, and he knocked it out of the park. One of the downfalls is that the Roland BT12 is not wireless. So I had to bring a computer over here. I got a solution for that. This here is the Sawgrass 1000. Okay, you guys remember I had the 800 rather, and my cousin came and picked that up from me, and you know, he basically paid for it in 2 jobs. He was a little nervous, to be honest, about getting it. He's like, I don't know. I'm like, man, you don't get it, you're gonna make your money back. He's like, darn, I made my money back so fast. So I let him pay me in 2 payments, and he knocked that out like within like 2 weeks, and it was cool there. My Uninet, I know a lot of you guys been asking about the Uninet, the iColor 550 videos. That's coming. It was unfortunate about the timing of different things, and I wasn't sitting around after I ended up getting stabbed and being in the hospital. I did not, you know, I just never got to really using it, but it's here now. I'm in a better space. Things is clearing up, and those videos are coming. But I actually want to get to 560, just to be honest, because of the wireless feature. That for me, it's not a real reason to upgrade, but just being as a, you know, a little pet peeve of mine is like, you know, everything over here was wireless because this actually has power to it. It's a power outlet here and a power outlet there. So being that this is wireless and whatever the case is, and I need a regular printer, I probably would put up top, but it's a little high up there, but we'll see how I figure it out. If not, I'll probably put a snake up there. Now I did film another video, but I probably speed it up right next to me right here. Let me turn this and I'm gonna show y'all how this actually works. So up here, actually, let's go down here. I don't know if this, okay, so these are shirts, right? And these go from small men's to medium, large, extra large, 2X, 3X men's, all right? And inside of the top bin, I did rolls. I'm gonna play with both. Folding, I think, I just didn't want to fold for some reason. So they do come out a little bit wrinkled, but a quick tap, or sometimes I don't even have to tap, just smooth it out. And it's been good for the couple jobs that I've done already in here. So the top is white, and I put the top, I've made the top ones white because it's just, you know, keep them further away from the ground. It's all dusty and dirty. I got to get a thorough cleaning done again because he's been doing some extra work in here. And then the bottom here is black. And I don't have an official number on how many shirts the men's holds, but it's ample enough. And behind this printer rack here is where I'll keep the base inventory for what I have. And the other day, I had one of my friends come, and then yesterday, someone else came to actually help me roll these shirts up, the women's shirts and stuff like that. I got a completely new inventory coming in of men's shirts. I went with Circle Clothing. This will be the first time that I'm actually putting them to use for the t-shirts. You know, I prefer American Apparel 2001W. That's what all of these shirts are here. Those are my favorite shirts. But I decided I'm gonna give, for the actual custom t-shirt business, I'm gonna give Circle a shot with these. And we're gonna see how I like them. So what's next? On this side, I don't have any vinyl here yet, okay? What I anticipate this being is probably B-Flex glitter here. And on this side, because that's my preferred glitter, I think I like the way that weeds. That's the best weeding glitter in my opinion. You know, it just beat weeds. It's a little bit more tacky than other ones, but I think that's what makes it for glitters weed a lot better, especially like small details. All right. What else we got? So you guys see the A to Z press here. I'm gonna show you guys what's gonna be the main press. Right here, I have my hat press that I'm gonna bring in here. This is the Jodo hat press, which will be coming in the unboxing video. Right here, I have a heat press cart. This is from Heat Press Nation. This is gonna be used probably to hold a DTG machine in the long run, but what I did get it for was when I'm opening other presses and reviewing them and stuff, I can just put it right there and I can test them out in that little area right there. Because once I get the main press up here, it's gonna be there for a while. Trust me, it's a big press. It's gonna be there for a while. All right, so here, I have a shipment here. This is from Circle Clothing, okay? They are not rebranded. These are manufactured by them. This is their shorts here, which is pretty cool. Circle Clothing is a manufacturer in itself. Really early on in the process, gonna have some dope things. I got signs. Actually got a sign company that you guys seen, or you haven't seen. I got some videos with them who make the sign that you guys will be able to eventually get some signs, different sizes, contour cut like that, like the one you see at Supercolor too. So here I got the Cameo Pro, okay? This is the 24-inch version. This is the cutter that I'm most comfortable with. I really don't need a 24-inch, but I wanted to take a look at it. The reason I don't need a 24-inch is because all I do is t-shirts. And rarely, very rarely, maybe for one customer have I printed wider or taller than 12 inches. You really don't need to go that much bigger when it comes to vinyl on t-shirts. So I got the red Cameo Cameo 4 at the other store. This one here, I'm gonna open up and use this one. But if it's overkill, I'm gonna switch probably. Only reason I think it's good is because the main vinyl I'm gonna be using is EcoTank Transfer, which is the best weeding regular vinyl. You know, if you don't, whatever you wanna test it out, try for yourself, you can let me know. But that is the vinyl that I will be using here. What else do we got here? So down here, I got some DTF samples. Again, you guys see super color there. I got top transfers, all the stuff that I actually use in my business, right? Like I use top transfers, I use Econo. I gotta get the B-Flex over here, the glitter rolls over here. I'm testing with the DTF stuff. I'm not really pleased with any product that I found yet. I'm gonna give you guys some reviews on this stuff again. I'm gonna order from about 5 companies. I've ordered from a few more already, but I'm gonna give you guys a 5-company review, and I'm looking for the best DTF transfer, and I haven't really been pleased with that, but that's for another video. And now the last 2 things that I got for you guys is this right here. So I wanted to test out the cap and label press. Well, this is just a label press. I didn't want to get the cap and label press. So this is a 6x8 tag and label press. I don't like all-in-one printers, and I don't like them because I think the more parts you have on the press, the more likely something is to go wrong. Things are gonna go wrong regardless. At some point, they can go wrong with some of these presses. Even like the G-Unite K20S, I broke a screw or something. Somebody broke a screw, I didn't break it. And then down here, I got the big boy. You guys should guess what that is, but if you can't guess, you guys will see it really, really soon. It is the big boy. That is the big boy that will be the main press for quite some time. I ain't gonna say quite some time. It's the one I wanna use the most. I wanna use it the most. It'll increase my productivity and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna test that out. And I talked to a car shop about painting some presses. So that Stahl's A to Z press, which I think is the best press when it comes to like, maybe if you're a small figure, like you've seen a 2-year-old close that press at full pressure, which I'm quite shocked with. And that is like a great starter press. So I will not be getting rid of that press. That I won't be doing. I'll keep it, and that'll be because Jada's gonna be making videos for you guys too, and that'll be the press that she probably uses, and it'll probably be a different color than what it is. I'm gonna see how this turns out, but I want to get that press painted, and I want to get that press painted when the time comes for that. So listen, man, if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down in the comments below. If you haven't already liked this video and you've been this far, like this video. I appreciate you guys for watching. And if you got anything that you want to reach out to me and say, hit me up on Instagram. And we're just gonna keep working, baby. Nothing else to do but continue to work, to put the work in, and we're gonna keep reaping the benefits of what's going on. So this is about to get really, really exciting. I got a lot more to come. I gotta do a few things, so I'm gonna make a video just dedicated to things that I need to do. As I show you guys things that I'm thinking about when it comes to running the store, I'm gonna get you guys on that type of stuff as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.